Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Substack to LinkedIn for subscriber growth, detailed guide step by step clearly. Navigate to your publication settings. Locate the integrations section within the settings menu. Find the LinkedIn integration option and click on it. You will be prompted to log into your LinkedIn account. Enter your LinkedIn credentials and authorize the connection. Once authorized, you will be redirected back to the Substack integrations page. Look for options to customize your LinkedIn sharing settings. Decide if you want your posts automatically shared on LinkedIn when published. Adjust any visibility settings according to your preference. Now, prepare to share your content directly on LinkedIn. Create a new post in Substack. Before publishing, check the box for sharing on LinkedIn if applicable. Once you're satisfied with your post, hit the Publish button. Your post will appear on LinkedIn, reaching a wider audience. Consider using LinkedIn groups related to your niche for more exposure. Continue engaging with your LinkedIn connections to foster community. Analyze the performance of shared posts regularly for better strategies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.